What's up, guys? Tommy Kentner here today, and we're going to throw in the PERRIN fuel pressure regulator. Sorry I haven't had much time. Been doing some behind the scene things that's going to get us some more content, and working on getting a new job. So, and the new job comes with more contents because it's Subaru related. So as soon as we get everything, hashed out and all that, which a lot of it's done, just working with another company just to get everything squared away. But so more news to come soon. Really solid, it's stuff I've worked really hard for the last 5-6 years, and just try to get my name out there with the cars and stuff like that, and tuning them. And so, like I said, big things coming. So stay tuned. Subscribe, please. And I'll probably be starting another channel for the other business too. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, once that starts up, there'll be a lot more content to look forward to, and not just Subarus. Mitsubishi Evos, Vets. Just all car related. And Supras. They do deal with a lot of different brands too. So look forward to that. But hell, let's throw this FPR in. We're burning daylight, and we ain't got much of it this time of year. And it's actually a decent day. So tomorrow it's supposed to rain, so we got to get this done today. All right, let's jump into it. All right, guys, here's the PERRIN fuel pressure regulator and how it comes. So you got your instructions, and then your hardware. It even comes with the Allen wrenches. Alright. There it is. And it comes with some hose too. Alright, and this is optional, which I recommend getting it, but this is just a pressure gauge that you can mount on the bottom of this. And then it requires 2 fittings to kick it out, and then that way you can see it. And then this right here is what we'll be removing. So I will get this out of the way, and when I get it out, I'll kind of show you. That way I'm not just bobbing the camera and stuff. But let me get this out of the way, and then I'll show you what to take off this, and then install the fuel pressure regulator. Alright guys, I got the stock fuel pressure regulator out, and then like I said, you just have to disconnect this hose, and that one, and then just pull as hard as you can on the lines and they'll come off. But when you get everything back together, it'll look like this, and there's my gauge. But you'll connect the top line to the bottom rail, and then the bottom, or you'll connect the bottom one down here to the top of the rail. That'll be your feed. And then these lines in the back, the gray one is your return to tank, so that'll go on the top. And then this will be your feed, is the black one, and that'll go to the bottom. And then once you get it all installed, you'll have to set your gauge, and you want about 35 psi. So you'll have to start it, let it run for a little bit. It'll jump up to like 60 plus, and then it'll come back down. And then you want it set at around 35 psi. So I'm gonna finish putting all this back together, and do this one last vacuum, and it just connects right there, and it comes with a supplied line, so just got to cut that and put that together. But that's the install for 2018 STI on the PERRIN FPR. Alright guys, after you got the FPR installed, you're going to have to prime the system like 3 times. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, and after you prime the system 3 or 4 times, check for leaks, and as long as you ain't have no leak or don't have no leaks, it should be all good. We'll fire it up. Alright guys, that completes the install, and you will notice if you do a FPR, it gets rid of the hesitation or like slight bobble when you kick in the clutch and you first initially take off. If you've noticed that, some cars have it, some cars don't, but it'd be the first mod I do to a new STI after doing this one and taking it down the road. But if I run across another 18 and I can show you what I mean, the difference, I'll show that in another video. So, as always, it's been fun. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.